thank you all for coming to Children's Place today. I know that you all realize that we're here because, like most human service agencies in the state of Illinois, we've received notification from the state that our funding for this program will be slashed unless the state acts and fixes the budget and restores it. So we're here today to talk about what we need to do to be sure that that happens and to protect something that's very precious to all of us. Now that we're in the middle of a budget crisis, the first thought on how to balance the budget is to go to a bunch of little children and close down their preschool.
Yes.
Is that fair? No. Is there anybody, a Republican, a Democrat, an Independent, a fiscal conservative, a fiscal liberal, is there anybody who could possibly think that that is a fair thing to do? The children who attend our center come from families that are struggling with very limited resources. Most of the families here live on $15,000 a year or less, or $5,000 a year or less. They struggle. They struggle with a burden of illness. They struggle. They have big, big, big dreams for their children, and this center is the chance for those dreams to begin to be realized. This center is what gets kids ready for kindergarten, so they're up at the same level as all the other kids, and they're ready to go to school. If they don't have something like this, they start off years behind, and then they can't keep up, and then they start to think they're stupid, and then they don't do well in school. This is their shot at a really decent life.
We know now that our children are safe medically, but what they're really in jeopardy of is the stigma of living with this kind of what is now a chronic illness. And Children's Place is really on the forefront of community education as well as education for parents and providing services for those of us who need them and don't even know where to look for them.